welcome to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to do a small project related to Christmas. So we are going to make a Christmas tree motif which can be used as a tag on your Christmas gifts, or you can do it as a decoration piece for your like you make a garland and hang it on the wall, or just a small thing to make a Christmas card or something small. Okay, now let's begin. I have loops and threads, impeccable yarn here. This is dark emerald, and I am going to use a 5mm crochet hook, and I have my scissors and I'm supposed to have a yarn needle, but I don't know where it went. Anyway, here the yarn needle is here. So let us start the project. I made these ones. Okay, it has two different kind of stems I made. I will explain it in my video. So let us start. Leaving a long tail, I'm going to make a magic circle just like that. Now I am going to make chain 3. One, 2, 3. That's the first double crochet. Then make one chain, which is considered going to be a space there. Then make a double crochet, yarn over hook, insert the hook into the magic circle, bring up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops at a time, yarn over, go through the next 2 loops. Now you can tighten the magic circle. It is like this. Now I am going to chain 3 and turn the work. Now in the chain 1 space I made, that's the 4th chain, I am going to make a double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet. Then on the top of the chain 3 I am going to make another double crochet. As you can see, this Christmas tree is crocheted from the top to bottom. So this is going to be the top. Now the row 2 is completed. I am going to row 3. So I am going to make chain 3, turn the work. I am not going to make another stitch over this first stitch, but on the second double crochet I am going to make another double crochet. So then we are going to make one double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet in the chain 1 space of the row 2. Now I am going to make 2 more double crochets on the stitches and the turning chain 1. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 double crochets and 1 chain 1 space. Again 1 2 3, turn the work, double crochet in the next stitch and double crochet in the next stitch, and we make a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet in that chain 1 space. Then in the next 3 stitches we are making 1 double crochet each. Now I am going to make chain 3, turn my work. On the second stitch I am going to make a 1 double crochet, and the third one 1 double crochet, and the fourth one 1 double crochet. Now we have the chain 1 space. We are going to make a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet all in that chain 1 space. Then we make double crochet, 1 2 3 and 1 double crochet on that turning chain of the previous row here. Okay, now it looks like this. Now I am going to chain 1, then I am going to turn, and in the second stitch, not in this one, though this one, I'm going to make 1 double crochet, a single crochet, 2 3. First chain 1 is considered as a single crochet, so, and it's single crochet in that chain 1 space as well, then single crochet in each of the stitches. Okay, now we are going to make the stem. Now I am going to slip stitch to the next stitch, 1, then the next stitch, then the next stitch. Okay, now we have this much left, so I'm going to 1 2 3 4 chains, then making a treble crochet, that is yarn over 2 times on the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, bring the draw the loop through 2 loops on the hook, then yarn over hook, draw through the next 2 loops on the hook, and yarn over hook and go through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Then we are going to make one more treble crochet, then we make one more treble crochet, then I am going to make chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and slip stitch to the next stitch here, then slip stitch to the remaining stitches. Now you can cut the yarn. And just bring it out. I'm just going to use my yarn needle to thread the yarn between these stitches. Hope you can see, just like this. Okay, now it is hidden. Now you have your Christmas tree motif or Christmas tree tag. Now I made another one right here. I'm going to attach some brown yarn and making a stem in a different way. Here I have a slip stitch on my hook, tighten that one. I'm going to yarn over the hook 2 times, then I'm going to count down 1 2 3, and on the 4th one I'm going to insert the hook bring up a loop, yarn over and go through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, go through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, go through 2 loops on the hook. It's a standing treble crochet. One, then at the next one another treble crochet in the next stitch, then 1 treble crochet in the chain 1 space, then 1 treble crochet in the next 2 stitches. I'm going to cut my yarn. Just closing. I'm going to use my yarn needle to stitch that yarn tail in through here. You can do one more time, just going in the back, thread it through and cut it very close to your work. Do the same like for this yarn tail as well. I did finishing the yarn tail on the other side behind the camera. So now that is done. It looks like this. You can add beads to the motif to make it looking better. This yarn tail can be used to hang it as a tag. You can tie it to something, okay, to make it a tag, whatever your fancy calls. If you don't like it, you can cut it off after going through the stitches a little bit of time and then cut it off. Okay, that's it for today. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Now I have 500 subscribers. I am happy to announce that, and we will meet again in the next video with another project. Till then, bye bye.